Hello boys and girls in primary 6. Today we're going to be thinking about maths, but before we get onto that, I just want to say I hope you all had a nice Christmas and Happy New Year to you all, even though it's not really the start to the new year that we'd hoped for. Okay, over the next couple of days you're going to be doing some multiplication. You'll be doing page 30, 31 and 32. Okay, but before we even start looking at the pages, I wanted to do some examples of this type of work. So it's multiplication that we're going to be learning. So we are learning about multiplication. And I have got a few examples here. So the first page that you're asked to do is examples on 4-digit numbers times multiplied by a single digit. So here I have done one for you. So we've got 3,641 multiplied by 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 4, 12. So I'll put my 2 down, carry my 1. 3 times 6 is 18, but I had this 1 over here, so we have to add it on. That makes 19, so I put down my 9 and carry my 1. 3 times 3 is 9, add on that 1 is 10. So I have got 10,923 is my answer. Does that make sense? I hope it does. But what I always have to remember, boys and girls, is that I write my digits, or write all my numbers in the right columns. So my number 3, because it's a single digit, it goes in the units column. So just be careful that you're also doing that when you do your work. Then over we go. I've got another example here, and you can do it with me. I actually have started this, but we have 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So I've carried my 2 and put my 5 on the line. Then it's 5 times 3 is 15. Add the 2, 16, 17. 5 times 2 is 10. Add the 1 is 11. So I get 11,755. I hope that is clear. That will help you with examples for page 31 next week, or this week, sorry. Now, if I look at these two. Now we did these before the holidays, so it's just a wee reminder. This is nothing new. Okay, we've got 2-digit numbers multiplied by 2-digit number. Okay, so I've done one before you here. So we always start with our units number. That's where we would start. 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So I put my 8 down here and I carried that little 1 there. Do you see that? Then I did 3 times 4, which is 12. I had that little 1 there, so I added it on and I wrote down 13. So I've got 138. My 3 times 46 is 138. Hope that makes sense. Then I add my 0 into my units column on the second row. Just need to remember to do that. The reason that we do that is to shift everything along, because the next number that we're doing is our tens number. So we need to make sure that when we are starting to multiply by the tens number, that we have it into the right column. So that is, it's keeping our space for us to move everything along to the left. Okay, so we do 2 times 6, which is 12. So I put my 2 down here and carried my 1. 2 times 4, which is 8. Add the 1 is 9. I hope that makes sense. Then all we have to do is just draw 2 lines underneath and add them both together. So 8 add 0 is 8, 3 add 2 is 5, 9 add 1 is 10, 1058. 23 times 46 is 1058. I hope that makes sense. Let's do one more to make sure we understand. Okay, so we have over here 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. Making sure I'm writing everything in the right columns. What do I need to remember on my second line to keep my space? I put my 0 in. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. So I put in my 15. And then I put my adding sign here. 6 add 0 is 6. 9 add 0 is 9. 5 add 1 is 6. And then your 1. 1,696. I hope that is helping you for the next couple of days of what you're expected to do. Okay, we will always be available to ask questions when you're doing your check-ins with us, okay? So good luck everyone. Thank you, bye.